Morphophonology and secret languages. Let's know a little bit about secret languages, how they are formed. Permutation of existing languages. So they are cut from the existing languages, from English, from French, and from other languages. They have a language at their base. Secret languages are found around the world and have been attested in English, French, Spanish, and many other countries, just to name a few. Example of creative language use. So, making a secret language is an example of creativity, of language use, that how we can use a language in different ways. However, they are different from human languages or natural languages. Considered external to the mental grammar. Obviously, they are made and they have their own grammar. They do not refer to the mental grammar of a person or what we call universal grammar. Speakers go from existing language to the secret language through the regular application of phonological rules, a morphological derivation. So these are phonological rules, and they use from natural languages to these secret languages, and they apply them regularly. Secret languages also exploit notions that are independently motivated in phonology and morphology, notably the syllable and onset. Independently motivated in phonology, that they do not have any object for them. They are away from those objects, and they have their own onset and own syllables. They have the structure of the syllable as a normal syllable has. One secret language is Pig Latin. In one variation, words that start with vowels are suffixed with way. So the word that start with vowels, a syllable that start with vowels, is suffixed with way. Words that begin with a consonant or consonant cluster shift the entire onset sequence to the end and are suffixed with a. Right? So this is what happened. The vowel with way and the consonant cluster with a. So you can see, for example, this very word, Pig Latin. So you can see that we have shifted per to the end and added a, and l to the end and added a. So this is how we can make a secret language. Free form. So f is shifted to the end and a is added, and f of form is shifted to the end and a is added. Similarly, in inflection way is added because the word starts with a vowel sound. So manipulate words. These secret languages manipulate words in this fashion. They make use of their subconscious knowledge of linguistic entities such as onset and nucleus. I mean, the whole structure of the syllable is always kept in mind, that what is nucleus and what is coda. The consonant before the vowel is onset, and consonant after the vowel or nucleus is coda. That is the structure of the syllable we discussed. Another language which is French based in French language is verlan, right? So the word verlan is derived from reversing the syllables of the other way around. So what happened is it needs at least two syllables. So both the syllables are reversed. For example, this very verlan, it has two syllables. So we can long ver. So this will become verlan language, secret language. So verlan works best with words of two syllables because in these the two syllables can simply be reversed. For example, you can see puri. So how the syllable is reversed. Rotten generally refer to corrupt police. Similarly, bronche and chevron and patriot and tape. So how the syllables are reversed. So first syllable is made second and second is first. So this is a new word is coined in this secret language. Monosyllables are vernalized differently depending on whether they are open or closed. So one monosyllables Q string, the order of consonant and vowel is reversed. So the vowel comes first and consonant comes second. So it becomes, as a result of this reversal, the syllable become closed. And in closed syllable, treated as if the end is a schwa, underlying by syllabic. So femme, woman, the syllables are reversed and the final syllable is dropped. So what happened is schwa is dropped. So femme, and then it becomes in the second fa, ma, and me, fa, and ultimately the words become maf. So this is verlan. According to Bullock, the rules of verlan are artificial compared to those of the standard and natural languages. In Pig Latin, word with a consonant cluster, post, the consonant, then add the suffix a. Let's say we have closet, and what we have done is the ka sound is post, and the word a is added to it, and we get another word, los k type of word. Any rule that operates on letters rather than on phonological entities such as onset is unnatural. So obviously these are not natural language. So whenever such rules are applied to these languages, they become unnatural. Languages are first and foremost oral, and orthographies are system imposed on them by people. Obviously, we are making this language because we find it before us in a written form and we apply certain rules. But in reality, every language is first oral and then it was put into orthography. Secret languages must be looked upon as somewhat artificial and should not on their own be used to draw conclusions about the working of natural languages. So we cannot say that this way natural languages take place or work, because the natural languages have their natural devices that create language. People create on languages. With the passage of time, there are always changes. Whereas these secret languages are made by people. They know that there exists a language, and then they apply certain rules to make it a secret languages. So however, it does tell us that phonological and morphological rules are basically different for natural languages than artificial or secret languages.